Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to empty a column entirely. So, for example, you have a column and you want to empty all the rows of a particular column in the table. So, for example, if we will see that what kind of data that we have in the table. So, here's what we can see that okay, we have this channel name as the column which has the value being skilled, but we want to get rid of it and we want to null that. So how will you do that? For that you just have to use update and then the table name, which is videos list, and then set, and then the column name, and then the value. So here we want that to be null. So run this query and now we can see that it has successfully run. So now we can select star from videos list to pull all the data from the table, and we can see that the channel names, all the rows have the value null. Likewise, if you want to keep it any specific, for example ABC, then if you will select the data again, you can see that we have the values ABC. And let's say if you want to add certain condition, then also you can do that by using where and then the condition. So we will do that in the forthcoming videos, but in this particular case what we wanted to do is we wanted to null all the values of the row in a column. So that is what we were able to achieve in this tutorial. So this is how you empty or null the values in a column of a table in MySQL.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on being skilled.